Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me doing week 4 now, is it? Yeah, week 4 of the Leetcode weekly premium challenge. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me in Discord. Let me know what you think about this one. Yeah. So this one today we have 487 max consecutive ones 2. Given a binary array nums, return the maximum number of consecutive ones in an array if you can flip at most 1 0. Yeah, I mean I don't think there is that much confusion, right? I mean, I think this one, I don't know. You just kind of group up. I imagine my first idea is just that you group up all the ones, and that's going to be your minimum if you don't flip any zeros to 1, and then it's just connecting the two pieces from left and right. There is an edge case literally about like going to the edge, like at the end or something, and then you just flip 1. But otherwise, yeah. So maybe I can write something like, and this becomes kind of like case analysis. So there are a lot of ways to write it, right? Because maybe like, okay, once is equal to length of nums, whoops, is equal to nums dot count 1, right? So if once is equal to n, then we just return n because all of them are ones, we can't change anymore. But otherwise, that means that we can always take at least we can always, there's a 0, that means we can make that 0 a 1. And that 0 by definition will be next to a 1, unless they're all zeros, but then, you can also if statement that if you like. But otherwise, then all the zeros will be next to a 1, so then you can, so then you can set the base case as equal to 1, and then maybe, maybe you could get to all the partitions. There are a lot of ways you can write this one, but I'm just going to be a little bit lazy today and write group by. And it's for, I always forget how it is, right? And then you have length of the list of t. That's going to be your length, and then x is just whatever, right? So if x is equal to 1, then this is the length of the chunk of ones that you have together, unless I did it backwards. So then maybe maybe the group size is going to be equal to best is equal to max best g plus 1, but you can also connect this with the previous one, right? So maybe we just keep track of the previous one is equal to 0, right? Here we go, okay, then back is g plus 1 plus previous, and then previous is equal to g, and that should be good. I mean, of course, if you're astute, then you notice that since p is always going to be positive, you don't even need this, which is true. So let's get rid of it. Yeah, and looks okay, right? Maybe it's a little slow, but let's give it a submit. Maybe I missed a case. I did miss a case. Oh no! Oh no! That is actually surprising. Maybe I rushed it too much. All right. Well. Kind of surprised actually. But all right, let's take a look at this one, right? So here we print out g, so maybe that helps us. What do we have here? I put 17, but it should be 16 is what they're saying. So there should be okay, I saw a 10, 10 and 5, so that's 16. Why do I think this is 17? That is actually, previous is equal to the current group, right? Okay, so if best is equal to 17, then print g1p. I don't know. That doesn't even make sense. Why would it print anything? Oh, it's just printing afterwards. But okay, so 12. So that doesn't make sense. Oh no, okay, because I updated it. I'm being silly. Kind of surprised I got this one wrong. Okay, so I have 12. So this is, so there is a, I mean, it's definitely wrong, but there is a 12, 1, and 4. Well, 1 is 1, but there is a 4. Did I get it wrong? Oh, I am dumb. I see. I was just being a little bit lazy in that that is actually pretty bad. That's actually a bad miss. I just update this previous to G, but because I was saying that you can connect two groups of ones together, but that's only the true if you don't have 1 0 in the middle, right? So I was a little bit silly on that one, so I was very wrong. So actually then now else if G is equal to, or if G, okay, well G is equal to this thing, right? Which means that we can take it out. So if G is greater than 1, then you have more than 1 0, so then you can connect, so then you could reset the P. I think that should be good. Yeah. Wow. Like I said, this is a case analysis, and sometimes it is possible to as you can see, it is possible to be try to be too slick, as you saw, as I was trying to do, because you could have written this out and it would have been very clear, and it would have been very straightforward to done a lot of things. And even if you do it like almost character by character, not quite, but as long as you're kind of smart about it, you could even do it in like 2 times n or something. I don't know, but yeah, very silly mistake. But as you can see, it's not that difficult to fix it once you understand what you're doing. And it took me a while, clearly, but yeah. Yeah, I mean, otherwise, this is there are easy ways to do this, so I don't know. I mean, but yeah, this is gonna be linear time, linear space from the group by. You probably can make this constant space, but which is not even that hard. I just am very used to using group by because it's just so much faster to type, and in theory, more difficult to make typos, but I didn't make a typo, but I found a way to make a mistake anyway. But yeah, that is all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. Have a great weekend, everybody. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.